Welcome to the Autoverse, your go-to channel for exploring iconic vehicles, modern marvels, and everything in between. Today, we dive into the 2025 Peterbilt 379, a legendary truck reimagined for the modern era. The 2025 Peterbilt 379 carries forward the legacy of its iconic predecessors while incorporating advanced technology and engineering to meet contemporary demands. This classic-style semi-truck is powered by a state-of-the-art engine, with options that include a Cummins X15 producing up to 565 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking maximum efficiency and power, the updated PAC-CAR-MX-13 engine delivers a balance of performance and fuel economy. These engines are paired with an automated or manual transmission, allowing drivers to tailor the driving experience to their needs. In terms of looks, the 2025 Peterbilt 379 retains its unmistakable long-nose design, a hallmark of American trucking culture. The chrome grille, dual vertical exhaust stacks, and polished aluminum wheels contribute to its commanding presence on the road. While the design stays true to its heritage, the truck features LED lighting and customizable paint options to suit individual preferences. Inside, the cabin blends traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge amenities. The spacious interior offers luxurious seating, with ergonomic adjustments, premium leather upholstery, and an advanced infotainment system with touchscreen controls. Smart connectivity features, including navigation, diagnostics, and driver assist technologies, enhance safety and convenience. The sleeper cab provides exceptional comfort for long hauls, with options for larger configurations that include a mini fridge, microwave, and ample storage. The 2025 Peterbilt 379 is not just about performance and comfort. It is also built with durability and efficiency in mind. The truck's lightweight chassis, combined with advanced materials, improves fuel efficiency without compromising strength. Enhanced suspension systems and advanced braking technology ensure a smooth and safe ride under all conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Peterbilt 379 starts at approximately $160,000 for base models, with fully loaded configurations reaching upwards of $200,000. Customizations can further increase the price, reflecting the premium nature of this truck. Thank you for exploring the 2025 Peterbilt 379 with us. Share your thoughts to let us know what trucks or cars you'd like us to feature next. Stay tuned for more from the Autoverse.